In this video, we are going to see the most important part in Audacity, and that is firstly recording your audio. So in the software, let's click on this sign here to record your audio. You can check the audio setup from here. Here is the audio setup. I'll just click on it. Just make sure that the correct recording device is selected. So by default, you have the option of your, let's say you have connected a headphone. So it might be showing this option to connect your microphone of the headset as a recording device. Or if you want to use the main input of your laptop, which is not very good, so you can shift to that. Or otherwise, I have connected my external microphone, that is Samsung Go mic. So whatever mic you have externally connected, it might be showing this option here. So these are all the recording device options. Let's go to the playback device. Here you will see all the output devices. For example, if you want to listen your audio from the speakers directly, you want to listen in a headset or some other audio equipment, you can do that. So these are just the basic settings. And whenever you are trying to record any audio, you will see this mic sign here. Just make sure that the audio you are recording, the recording level is 100 or even less than 100, but make sure it's not 0. And if I want to track my audio as well, right now I cannot see how the voice will record. So what you can do is just click on this record meter and enable the silent monitoring. So it will turn on this. So these waves will indicate how clearly the audio will be recorded, not actually how clearly, how loud the audio will be recorded here. So if you want to reduce that, what you can do is just disable this and you can make some adjustments. Right now I'm not making any adjustments here, but this is how you can do it. All right, now to record our first audio, I'll go to this option, this red button, and just click on it. And as I start recording, you will notice that all the waves start building up as I speak through the mic. So these are all the indications, these waves are all the indications of what audio I am recording right now. But let's stop this. And if you notice, we have 2 tracks here because by default it is set to the stereo type sound, in which you can change the settings of the right side hearing and the left side hearing. So these are basically used for the audio management. But if you want to record in a single track, what you can do is just make some settings. And before making some settings, I need to get rid of this particular recording. And how can I cancel it all or delete this audio? I'll just go to this left corner where it says this cross sign, and let's click on it and the recording will be gone. Let's record again, but before recording, I'll go to the audio setup, and under the recording channels, I'll change from 2 stereo recording channels to only 1, that is mono. And then let's start recording. Now you will notice that all the audio is recorded in one single clip. So you can just record and hear your voice back to judge by yourself what sounds better for you. As far as I know, that it will not make any difference. If you are recording simple lectures, YouTube videos, or any kind of speech, then it will not make much difference. This is for more advanced settings. So you can use this mono feature for that. And once the recording is done, let's say I'm recording right now. So once I want to stop, I'll just click stop here. And if you want to pause for a temporary period, you can click here. And whenever you want to listen that audio, just click on play. And here you will also see the shortcut for it. And that is shift plus space. But that is playing back only once. If let's say I press spacebar here, so it will start playing from this particular point. But if I want to hear this recorded audio from the starting, what I'll do is just click here, skip to start, and here if you want to skip to end. So let's click on skip to start. It will move our cursor to the starting point where you can easily start listening to your audio. So this is how it sounds right now. So I don't know if you can hear this audio right now, but this is just the basic recording. And just keep one thing in mind, that Audacity, although it's a very good audio editing software, It's not meant to record music or record beats. We have different more advanced softwares for that. So this software is great for recording any kind of speech, whether it's vlogging, whether it's tutorials, whether it's any YouTube video. So anything which involves speech should be recorded in Audacity because it handles the speech audio very nicely, and you have very good options to edit the audio as well. So this is how you record your first audio in Audacity.